唔知你識唔識用英文表達鬼屋呢？我相信應該唔少朋友見過鬼屋，其實會用呢兩個字去表達，但係好多朋友會讀錯第一個字，佢哋會咧唔小心將佢讀咗做 hunted， 但係其實 hunted 嘅意思咧係被狩獵的，咁呢一個字咧其實係讀 haunted，haunted，haunted， 咁加埋個屋咧就係 haunted house，haunted house。Do you dare to go into the haunted house by yourself？ 咁其實本身 haunted 呢一個字咧係一個形容詞，代表鬧鬼的。咁因為香港我哋好多時都唔係住獨立屋嘅，所以呢個 haunted 未必一定配搭 house 呢一個字。She says her apartment is haunted. Everyone knows this hospital is haunted. 我哋練習多3次 haunted，haunted，haunted。Have you ever been to a haunted place？